Hello friends, today's recipe needs no introduction as it's known all over the world for its exquisite taste. It's extremely popular but also a little bit tricky, so let's talk about all those tricky points today which make soft melt in mouth gulab jamuns. For this recipe we need 350 grams of very soft pliable khoya. I will be making this khoya myself, but you can use store-bought if you can find it. To make khoya, I take 2 cups of full-fat milk powder in a bowl and add 3/4 cups of heavy cream to it. I mix it well and I microwave it for just 2 minutes. Khoya is ready. This is the kind of texture we need for our khoya to make those amazing gulab jamuns. Because I have to make sugar syrup first, I will cover my khoya with wet cloth and keep it aside. To make sugar syrup in a pan, I add 2 cups of sugar with 2 cups of water, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon Gulab Jal and some saffron strands. Let the sugar syrup boil until it just starts to form a single thread. Turn off the stove and let it come to warm temperature. It is very important for the sugar syrup to be warm and not hot when we put our gulab jamuns in it. Now to make our dough, to our khoya, we add 37 grams of maida, half a teaspoon cardamom powder, and less than 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. I filled the 1/4 measuring spoon to 3/4 if it makes any sense. Now mix all the ingredients together. The khoya after resting has lost some of its moisture and is crumbly to touch. So we will add full fat milk in increments until we can make crack-free, soft and smooth balls. I have added 4 tablespoon milks in total. This amount will always vary when you make gulab jamuns. Now I make small balls out of this dough to fry. I make just enough balls to fry for our first batch. Making balls right before frying keeps them crack-free. All the remaining dough should be covered with wet cloth all the time. This dough will make a total of 30 to 32 gulab jamuns. In a small curved bottom wok, I add ghee enough to fry the jamuns. Heat the ghee on medium-low until ready and gently drop 4 to 5 gulab jamuns in ghee. They should sizzle but not come up or color. Swirl the wok all around to keep the balls moving and turning at all times. Frying the jamuns on high heat will brown the jamuns from outside but keep them raw from inside. Just to clarify, my ghee is foaming up because it's homemade, but after I fry my first or second batch of jamun, it always clears up. Swirling the balls like this without stopping makes sure the jamuns are frying evenly from all sides. Once the jamuns are fried, I take them out and put them in warm sugar syrup. Let the jamuns soak in the syrup for 4 to 5 hours at least. Gulab Jamuns are ready to be relished. They are one of the very few desserts that taste great hot and cold. They go great with rabdi, kheer or even ice cream, but I like to eat them as they are. Thank you for watching my videos and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.